You know, I love to get into different things. I love doing different kinds of music, different kinds of projects, and I've enjoyed doing this project. I've enjoyed it. It was a challenge, very much of a challenge to me. We're communicating with a lot of very, very young people, which a lot of our music does. We have fans that are very, very young. I had never described a cucumber before or thought of one as being a hero. But I got a picture with a whip on his shoulder and a hat on with this real mean look on his face. And he was like, yeah, now that I can get into, that I understand. So we kind of went on from there. Behind where I'm sitting is a studio that's set up for the Charlie Daniels Band. We're always ready to record. We sit out in the room and communicate with each other. I say, here's an idea. That's how we create music. That's how we do music. That's how we make our records, our albums, and how we approach every project that we do is a melding of ideas. First thing you know, you got a track, and then you go put the vocal on it and mix it and send it to y'all.